So I'm playing ranked solo because I want to unlock the blue cat outfit. But look, I found a new spot. Catty corner, if that makes sense. And this is a yes. And also check this out. This is a charged rifle. Hehe. And then there's a pulse. A pulse launcher. And full tour. This is where I normally land. I didn't know the cat was over there. I didn't figure that out till this time. Makes sense because they're just safe here. Oh, no thanks. Actually, you know what? Let's get down, dude. We're back to disco balls. No more Snoop Dogg. I know the storm's coming in, but I make terrible decisions. And also check this out. Wait. I gotta get rid of that. Probably not. Probably the dumbest thing. But I'll show you why. Because I learned something else that's super cool. Ooh, what is that? Slip juice. Okay, check this out. So this heals, does shield, and also makes you bouncy. It's like popping the fruits. And then, oh no, I need to top off. Boom. That thing is cool. I should have kept the pulse launcher instead of this. But I was excited.
My bestie and your bestie sit down by
Oh, okay. I'm kicking it old school. No, you're right. I did it wrong. Oh, how dare you. Yes. Alright.